That feels so good on my back. If you've never tried that before, I highly recommend. But I know many of you have come in with some type of back pain, whether it's acute or chronic, and unfortunately a majority of us are going to experience it at some point in our life, which is why I'm going to give you 3 things to keep in mind so that you aren't aggravating that area, and if you don't have the time to just be hanging out all day. Number 1 is to pay attention to your posture. If you've been sitting down for a long time and you're starting to look like a little shrimp, just straightening up, even leaning back in your chair and letting your arms fall to the side could give you all the relief you need. And also, if you needed to be picking something up off of the ground, make sure that you're doing it with good technique, because a lot of the times if you're just rounding over and grabbing something, that's when you can pull a little muscle back there. So just squatting down, picking it up and standing up straight, and then reversing that motion if you needed to put it back down. Yes, it might feel a little bit silly, but your future self will be thanking you. Number 2, move often and breathe deeply. By that I mean, don't just sit around feeling sorry for yourself. I know it sucks, but getting up and moving will get the blood flowing everywhere it needs to go, bringing you the proper nutrients and removing any waste products that could be leading to that pain. And even if it's just the slowest walk in the world, or even just standing up and shuffling over to the other side of the couch, could be just beneficial enough. And then by breathing deeply, I mean using your diaphragm rather than breathing through your chest like many of us do. So you're going to imagine that you're breathing in through your nose and feeling that air going all the way down into your stomach. So you're gonna feel that tension in your abdominal region, which is where the diaphragm is. And then to breathe out, you're gonna go through your mouth like you're blowing up a balloon. So you're just gonna go. That will tell the nervous system to calm down, and you'll relax and reduce any tension that you're feeling anywhere in your body. And then number 3, stretching and mobility. It's one of my favorite things in the world, but for good reason. It will help get those muscles and joints in the proper alignment and where they need to be. If it's just the lower back that you're feeling, going wide with your feet and dropping your knee towards that opposite ankle is a good one, or having one leg straight, other one bent, and pushing through that heel so you're lifting just that side of the body. If it's your hips as well that are feeling tight, doing this 90-90 stretch, keeping your chest upright as you move back and forth is a good one. You could also go into that half kneeling hip flexor stretch. And that is all I've got for that one. If this is a persistent, debilitating issue, please go see a doctor and see if something more major is going on. But if it is just an acute little tweak, let us know in the gym, and we'd be more than happy to make the necessary modifications and give you some homework to bring you some relief. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I look forward to you all coming in here pain and stress-free. I hope, maybe, possibly. Let's go hang out here in the meantime. Bye-bye.